Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, a Florida-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and get right to the question. The question is, what are the 10 different levels of disability representatives, and why do they all get paid the same amount? So the next group that we're going to be doing, so we did the first one, which were friends and family members. Then we did the next one, which were caseworkers. And now we're going to be doing disability advocates. So disability advocates, right? What is a disability advocate? A disability advocate is somebody who on the regular will go ahead and file an individual for Social Security, SSI, or SSDI based benefits. Sometimes they will also file them for SSA for foreign-based adult child disability benefits. That's if a child is essentially between 18 and 22 and fits into certain regulatory requirements in order to tap into their benefits, their parents' Social Security disability benefits. Why is it not the best thing to go ahead and hire a Social Security disability advocate? I say this, only if there's no attorney anywhere near you, we're talking hundreds of miles, should you go with the option of hiring a disability advocate. And here's why. Disability advocates charge the same amount as Social Security disability attorneys. Attorneys have gone through law school, they know how to write briefs, they know the high-tech law, they know the HIPAA law, they know the SSA law, they have a much better understanding as to how the listings work. They're at a much higher level when it comes to analysis and logical analytical creation. And they can interact with the judge on a legal level. Disability advocates cannot. So what you're starting to see now is that disability advocates will be incorporated in some way to a law firm where they've been practicing for a while and now they're struggling to get cases, and then they'll get sucked into a law firm, and then that law firm will just send them with cases to basically go do hearings on their behalf. And the law firm will usually not tell you that it is a disability advocate doing this on behalf of the law firm, which means that you're showing up to a hearing without an attorney, even though you're represented by a law firm. You're just showing up with an advocate. It's kind of scary when you think about it, because now you're just showing up with somebody who's an advocate and you're not having attorney to attorney, which is, basically your attorney representing you before the judge, who's also an attorney. Why are they getting paid the same amount as attorneys? Because it's set up by statute as to how much a representative before the Social Security disability benefits application process can actually get, which is the 25% up to 6K. And the way it works is from initial filing up to ALJ hearing level, it's 25K, or it's 25% up to 6K. So you got a limit there, skyline, which is 6K. And then once you go to appeals council, that 6K limitation is lifted. And then once you go basically to federal district circuit or Supreme Court, then you're into EJA fees. And then you can also request back the filing fees if you are, of course, successful in winning the claim going forward. So that's basically what you need to know with this process, yada yada. Okay, so the thing is, if you could hire somebody, you want to hire arguably the best. Although, when it comes down to it, you want to hire somebody that you can get along with, too. So if you're talking about one attorney versus another attorney, and one attorney's like, well, I have certification in this, and the other attorney is available and can talk to you and interact with you, and you like that other attorney, then, ooh, it's a squeaky chair. Then in that regard, you should go with the attorney that you get along with, because they'll help you build your claim, yada, yada, yada. All right? So that's what a disability advocate is. They're number 3 on the list of the top 10 disability advocates. We're starting with the very bottom of the rung, which are friends and family. Then we went to caseworkers. Now we're at disability advocates. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do number 4 shortly. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you want the most up-to-date information, or you want a particular video made about a particular topic, that's fine. Shoot me an email, give me a call, and we will go from there. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.